A little baby. Can you see how that elephant was busy sniffing it? Another really small one. Have a look at what it's going to do if it wants to drink. This is one of my favorite things with young elephants when they want to drink. Elephants suck water up their trunk. You see the adults do it. Now you're just going to see it blowing bubbles like a straw. But how do I get that to my mouth? There we go. That's how I do it. Little bottom in the air. Whoopsie, I'm going to fall. Mom, I'm falling. I absolutely love seeing little elephants come into the water to drink. They want to do it like the adults do, but they don't quite have the right technique yet. Oh, look at that. I got a scratchy.